Okay, so before you start, remember to do your stretches to reach for the sky and then touch your toes and reach for the sky and touch your toes. Shake your hands out, and so they're all ready to go. And then we're going to start. Remember, we have your dogs, your puppies, and your kitty cats. Okay. So remember your puppies on the piano, they go where we have 2 black keys. And your kitty cats, because we have 3 of them, they have 3 black keys. Okay, so now I know you know how to find your puppy dogs and your kitty cats, but now we're going to do something special. And where we have all of your puppy dogs, we're going to put some of your stickers. Okay, and we're going to use purple and orange. So maybe someone can help you with this, but at the end, your piano might look like this. So you have purple and orange on where all of your puppy dogs are, like this. So then we can take off your puppy dogs and your kitty cats. And all down the piano, we've got purple and orange. Okay. Now, we're going to play a song today. We're going to learn a song all about kangaroos. Remember, you've got your crab fingers, like this one, okay? And remember, last time we did some numbers. So you can wiggle your number 1s, your number 2s, your number 3s, your number 4s, and number 5s. Today we're going to be using these 2, your number 2 and number 3. Okay, and we're going to be playing with our purple and orange stickers where your puppy dogs usually are. Okay. Now, let me put you down so you can see. Okay, and we're going to be starting like this. Okay, so get your fingers ready. Okay, and we're going to have this finger on your orange one and your middle finger, your number 3, on your purple one. And we're going to go orange, 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 and then both of them. And then, just like a kangaroo, we're going to bounce down to our next one. And we're going to do the same. We're going to do orange, 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 both of them. And we get to bounce on the keys. And then, just like a kangaroo, we're going to bounce down to our next one. And we're going to do the same with your orange, 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 both of them. And then a last big bounce down to your last one. Boing. Okay. And now we're going to put some words with this one. Okay, so I'll show you again. We'll put some words with, and maybe you can sing along at home. So we're going to do kangaroo show. Look at them go. Hopping so low. Boing. Just like a kangaroo. Okay. Now we're going to be a kangaroo with our other hand as well. Okay, and we're going to use the same 2 fingers. This time, instead of bouncing down to where the low grumpy notes are, we're going to bounce up towards the high happy notes. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay. So we're going to start with this time we're going to start with our purple one with this finger, your number 2 finger, and we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 3. We're going to bounce higher, purple, purple, and together, purple, 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 together, and a boing at the top. Okay. And now we can put some words with this one. Our kangaroo is going to jump up the piano. So we're going to go kangaroo show, look at them go, hopping so high, yeah! So maybe we can practice it. Remember these 2 fingers, okay? Your red one, your red hand is going to go down to the low deep notes, and your yellow one is going to go really high to the high notes. And you can bounce just like a kangaroo all the way up the piano and down the piano. So maybe you can get your mum to help you put some stickers on, get some purple and orange stickers, and then you can bounce up and down the piano.